Hi. Oh, what do we have here? Hoover? Oh. Where'd you get this from?
I know this.
Huh?
Wire.
Oh. Where are we, GB? GB? Where are we?
In the house.
In Chachu house.
Yeah.
Oh.
This house is
Oh. What's this?
Hoover vacuum cleaner.
Hoover vacuum cleaner. Is this yours?
No.
Huh?
This you put the pipe in it.
Uh-huh.
That the filter.
Show me, show me.
And that.
Oh, this is Daddy.
Yeah, you put it
Uh-huh.
and do that.
Uh-huh.
And you open it
Okay.
and like that.
Oh, so you can lift it like this.
Yeah.
Wow. Who gave you this? Is this a gift? Is this yours?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you ask Chachu if you can take it home? You want to take it home? Did you ask him? Does it work?
Yeah.
Yeah? Have you tested it? Okay, let's fix the pipe and let's see if it works.
That's gonna go here.
Mm-hmm.
That's gonna go here.
Mm-hmm.
This
Mm-hmm.
vacuum cleaner.
Is this Henry?
Yeah. You should have put to it.
Oh, no. Be careful.
It's have
What's this?
little wheels.
Little wheels.
Yeah.
Okay.
This millimeters inside.
Okay, let's put the pipe in and then let's see if it works.
And
That's it. That's enough. That's enough.
and you shoe.
Oh, wow. Can I keep this, please?
No, it's for tooth.
It's for Chachu. I thought you were going to take it home.
I'm gonna take home.
You want to take it home?
Yeah.
I think if we take this home, how he's going to clean his house? Are you going to give him one of your Super Henrys?
Yeah.
You want to swap? You want to give him your Super Henry and then he can keep this?
This.
You can keep this, yes.
Yeah, I can keep it. And it's open to and then have carpet
Mm-hmm.
and my super hands have tools, pipes, and switch and then.
Okay, and then okay, fine. Let's plug the pipe in and let's see if it works. You think it works?
It plugs here up there.
Okay, you go plug it and then let's see if it works. No, I think one of the plugs here also. This side.
Yeah, no.
Hmm? Oh, wow.
Yeah, you do the
Mm-hmm. Are you gonna clean the whole room? Yes.
Bye. Bye. Bye.